Hello and welcome to my channel, Oaks & Company. I'm Rachel Oaks. Today we're going to be redoing a buffet that I inherited from my mother-in-law and using it for a TV stand. The first thing that we did was my husband sanded the top of it down so I could keep that natural finish. The next thing that I did was where I get my paint at the front porch in Beebe, Arkansas. They have some wax that has black stain in it, so in order to bring out the wood finish, I just took the wax and put it on a microfiber rag and just started working it into the wood and kind of moisturizing that wood and bringing that really pretty color out. So the next thing that I began doing is painting. Like I said before, I get my chalk paint at a flea market that is local to me. However, you can get chalk paint at Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, things like that. Lots of places you can get it. I got my paint brushes at Walmart over in the craft section. They are made just for chalk paint. They're very inexpensive, so I'm sure that Lowe's and them have those also, but that's where I get mine. And I began painting this in buttermilk color, which I love. It's almost a pure white. I don't know, it's bright without having a yellow undertone. I don't care for the yellow undertones. So it's not an off-white, but it's kind of muted at the same time. Anyway, so I began painting, and I normally do 2 coats on everything to give it a good solid look with just a tad bit of distress.